Welcome to SafeMindsAI. In this video, we will guide you step by step through registering your child and setting up a safe AI experience. Start by logging into your parent dashboard and selecting the Children tab. Click Add Child. Then enter your child's details, such as their nickname, age, and grade. Once finished, click Save Child. To grant them access, simply click Share Access and generate a unique access code. Then go to child.safeminds.ai, paste the code, and unlock your child's SafeMinds personal space. Once inside, children can start conversations, ask questions, learn, and explore ideas. This is an example of the anti-cheating feature. SafeMindsAI ensures that every interaction is secure, supporting your child's growth and learning. All interactions are monitored by SafeMindsAI's safety and learning integrity systems. If a child tries to bypass safeguards, manipulate the artificial intelligence, or use prompts to evade controls, SafeMindsAI records the event and sends a cheating alert to the parent. This maintains academic integrity and transparency. Parents can view flagged sessions and behavioral alerts directly from their dashboard, staying informed and ensuring SafeMindsAI remains a trusted, child-safe experience. SafeMindsAI, responsible AI for growing minds.